Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What I have to say, this is one of the smartest customers that I have ever come across. We had to do some misfire diagnosis, as we could see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all figured out. We're all done with the repair here. I just wanted to inform everybody in the YouTube world that this customer has a big brain. This customer is one of the smartest customers we have ever had. You see that? It's glistening, right? Look like a fresh Krispy Kreme glazed donut. Yeah, I might be getting fat, I don't know. But we could see it's coated with this gooey goo. That's how it's treated in the engine bay. And I cannot believe that they did this. This is big brain move, one of the smartest customers things they could do. So you know what comes next? Let's take it up top and I'm going to show you what else they did. Now that we have taken it up top, we can't really see much. But for what we can see, they coated. Control arms coated. The knuckle is coated. The strut is coated. That was the passenger side. This is the driver's side. They even got a little bit on the caliper. It's all coated. The axle's not coated, but the struts and springs are. Let's go a little further down. Did they coat this too? Oh yeah, look at that. They even coated this little cross member here. They coated the subframe. That means they had to remove the plastic shielding to coat that subframe. Very good. They even coated this guy. They coated this guy. They even sprayed the hardware. Make sure the hardware is coated. Let's go a little further back. Oh no, you know what? Let's take a little diversion. They even did some of the body. Very good. Now, when we go further back, you know, we usually go to flavor country, but I guess this is what the glaze rub is. This entire suspension is coated. Look at that. There are people that care about their vehicles that want it to last. We could see, yeah, we got some corrosion there, but you know how the subframes usually look in 6 years up here in the Pacific Northeast. All this would have flavor and seasoning on it. They even got the body up there. They got the knuckle back here. Very good, man. They even went up in there. They even went up in there to get the rest of the suspension. I believe they took down these plastic shields and coated everything underneath that as well. Wow. Well, guys, you know what you need to do if you want your cars to last. Coat them before they start corroding. And then in 6 years, they'll look like this. Imagine that. Imagine that. You make a smart move to make your car last. Huh. So yeah, guys, you know what you gotta do. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell. Oh, we found more coating. Very good. Hit that bell notification for further content.